Greetings everyone! Today we're doing a Let's Watch and Draw Belle. This is number 2 in the Fairy Penguinos promo art series. I've already done Little P and you can watch that on my channel. And be sure to subscribe to the Fairy Penguinos YouTube channel for more Let's Watch and Draw videos of not just the Fairy Penguinos but other drawings and paintings, and for the animation Let's Watches too, and for the Fairy Penguinos episodes 1 to 4 with 5 coming out shortly. Okay, so this is a brand new canvas using the Lil P template, and these are going to be for convention purposes, the artwork, and for the website www.fairypenguinos.com right there. And so now we're just gonna create the rough sketch, the first start. So this is Lil P from our past episode. I colored him, but I didn't show the sketch process. And we gotta make sure like they're consistently the same size. So Belle is a little bit taller than Little P. The beak's not gonna look like that in the end. That's just how I usually draw during the sketches. Belle usually has like a confident face, so his eyebrows are gonna be, those feet are enormous. And for this episode I decided to go with some medieval music. I put the music on like after I'm editing the video, and I had to look for free music. Just in like I'm in a medieval music mood. I don't like how the location of those pupils are. Fix that, like his leaning tower of penguin. His feet, Belle's feet are still a little bit too big. Belle's gonna be holding the frequency machine. There's Belle's glasses. Well, I don't know. Let's make Belle's hat. This is called a cap and bell hat. Yeah, Cap and Belle's hat. It's right here on Wikipedia. It's funny because Belle is not from the Jester tribe, but Luther is. Here's the website. See, Luther. Oh, Joker. Well, Joker, Jester, same thing. Belle is not from the Jester tribe, Joker tribe. But Belle still wears this hat. When Belle was living in the Whirlpool Galaxy, Belle did wear hats that were part of their culture, but then when Belle went on the mission to human Earth, to research, Belle decided to make a more human type hat. And these right here, these are not Belle's. Belle may be called Belle, but Belle calls these round orbs antenna, thinking that they'll help with like contact or something. Belle's mind works in mysterious ways. Belle's hair right here, see, a bit of Belle's hair is like being held up by the cap of the Belle's hat. Okay, I do not like the lower body pose. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off little P. We're gonna move these out of the way. I guess Belle's like pointing to it or something. That's pretty good, I like that. So that's how I usually start a sketch. They're like really very sketchy. See how big Belle is compared to little P. Well, I think let's make Belle's. We gotta make Belle's feet just like a little bit. Just a little bit, you know, just a little bit. We're gonna fix this. That looks awful. Looks like Belle's stepping forward. Kinda looks like Belle's moving. You know, presenting. Ooh, I like that a lot. It matches Belle's personality. 'Cause Belle's always moving. Belle's always moving. But I might change it. Let's save this. Okay, Belle. Now, wait. Now what I do is I do a second sketch so that I know where all the lines are, so that it makes it easier to accurately color the artwork. This will be a little less sketchy. I don't really like doing this like fat cheek thing. It's mainly for Luther. So I won't do that. I refer back to the P art. I want to make sure it's consistent. Looks like it is just being nervous. Because Belle's moving, that means Belle's tail should be moving at the same time. And there is Belle. The tail is bugging me very much. I don't like it. art, official art of Belle. And by the way you pronounce Belle's name is Bale. I've heard that sounds like the demon god's name. Baal? 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 Baal. How to pronounce Baal? Yeah, it's Baal. Baal. It's pronounced Baal. And so Baal's name is pronounced the same name as the original Mesopotamian god, Baal. I assure you, if you say the name right, you will not be invoking the wrath of Baal. 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 You will not be invoking the wrath of Baal. Baal. See, I can't even say it without giving it that little twang. Baal. Baal. In the Penguino language, they can telepathically speak but also talk, but the way they talk is they have like this ba sound, like they have like this like sort of prolonged, maybe mainly based on how I speak, but if they speak English, that's just how they do it because of their accent. So that is Baal, and thank you for watching this episode of Let's Watch and Draw. A very quick one. The next one will be coloring and painting Baal. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel Fairy Penguinos right down there for more episodes, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please support the Fairy Penguinos so that they can get back to the mothership and back to the Whirlpool Galaxy. This is Pia. Have a great day and night.